if you want to see how I did this eye look with the Jeffree Star Ranch palette and these Amazon Laflare lashes, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get these rollers off. See, I washed my hair, I let it air dry because I'm trying to keep so much of the heat off of it. So we don't know what it's going to look like. But we know in the summer we cannot go more than one day without washing if we're going to be exercising. And we are going to be exercising, so. Alrighty, we got our rollers out. This is what our hair looks like. All I did was just wash it, condition it, put a little bonding treatment on it in the shower, and let it air dry. Then I put the hot rollers in it. I did put a little bit of mousse in it, but the ends was pretty much already dry. And we'll see how that holds up for us today. So what we're going to try today is, we got this. I bought it from Macari. It did not have the box around it, so I don't know if it's counterfeit or not. This is, or if it's just used and someone, you know, wherever they got it, they didn't have it. I have not used it yet, and I don't think I've swatched it, but some of these kind of look like they've been swatched. So I'm going to try to match my shirt. So we're going to be using a little bit of dark blue, maybe some green, maybe some brown and gold. I don't know exactly what we're going to use. And the next thing we're going to use, I bought these from Amazon, and I bought them sight unseen, and they're a little bit thicker. I was thinking they'd be a little wispier than this. I bought these, and I liked them real well. They felt real good. These are supposed to, what does the box say? Put some glasses on so I can read. The box says 100% handmade, luxurious and soft. Laflare, 100% cashmere texture, ultra lash. So maybe they'll feel good. I've had some that was like these that was kind of stiff, but these don't really feel stiff. Let's go ahead and get ours ready before we want to use them. I cut about 1/8 of an inch off of them, so that when we get ready to use them, we just have to put them on. Let's see how they feel. I think these was like less than $8 for, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. They do feel good. They do feel good. They don't feel real stiff. They might look real stiff, but they don't. They're just kind of the color of them. They're just extra black. So let's go ahead and cut these so we'll get that out of the way. And I'll tell you if I like them. At first thought, when I first saw them, oh man, but we might like them. I'm just going to cut one of these little sections off. That ought to be good enough. And do we have any front tip to cut off? No. Like this. So I need to cut this end off. So that's going to be ready. And I've already done my skincare. So all we're going to do is the eyes. And these were from Amazon. They wasn't very expensive at all. So let's get this going. What are we going to try? So we can do blue or green or brown. Let's kind of go with let's start it off with the tan. One of these tans just over the whole eye. Start it off with that. And then we'll put some lighter up at the very top. And then for the lid, let's go with green. Just put it on with a windshield wiper. And then let's do some accents with this dark blue. We could use brown too, but let's use dark blue. I think this is a real pretty color right here. Okay, let me pull out my mirror. Let's look. My Lashy Box ones we did the other day, and when I was rewatching that video, I thought, boy, I look awful. I didn't do a good job. I would like to do a little bit better job on this one. So let's fill back in a little bit with this green. Now that I can see. This is a pretty shade of green. And I don't know when this came out because, you know, I've been kind of out of makeup a little bit, just using what I had and buying cheap stuff. And so I don't know when this came out. I don't know what year. Let's see if it says so on here. Minutes. I don't. Gives an address. It gives a description. Probably the outside packaging might have, but I bought it off Macari. I think I paid $10. You know, you never know what you're gonna pay. It's just whatever someone wants to do. Now I'm kind of blending this blue in a little bit with this pencil that I did with the green. We might darken it back up. We might darken it back up, the underside, but maybe not. We'll see. Because this blue, it will just spread all over the place. And I don't know if this is a new shade of blue or if the one they had in their Blue Blood. It turns out I've got 2 Blue Blood palettes now. I told my daughter that I demand they take one of them off my hands. She said she's going to try to come see me this summer because I didn't know if I was going to go to Little Rock or not. Alrighty, so let me get a drink real quick. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Let's finish up this. This is just to help it out a little. I want to use this white color to put right under my eyebrow. And that brown. And we will worry about the highlighter later. I think this has got a little bit of highlighter in it. Sort of a gold highlighter. I don't know if I'm going to use that today though. But so this is the colors we used. We used the green and the dark blue, but we put this tan color underneath everything so you can see it. And then I helped it out with just a little white or whitish color underneath the brow. I don't like, back in the old days, you know, we had the blue or green all the way to the eyebrow. I don't want to do that now. So I also got some new liner. This is Kiss Clear. I've been using the Kiss Black, and but we're going to see how we like this clear because I've never used the Kiss Clear. I'd always use the color. My Lashy Box had some dark in there. I think I threw both of my Lashy Box adhesives away. I used it another day and it seemed kind of thick. I don't know where they get it packaged or whatever, but it seemed kind of thick. And I'm just Trust Kiss. We did try it. So I have to have a mirror. So I'm not using any eyeliner today. I'm just going to put the clear on here, a couple of coats. Each eye. Let's see here. Because I'm going to try to make it short. So here it is again. In case I need it for a short. So do the other one a little bit. Okay. Now, we've already got our lashes cut. So all we have to do is find our tweezers right here. We'll use the left eye first. And I don't think I'm going to try to put it on without the mirror. Let's see about this. Okay, let's try the other one. I'm not used to this. Hopefully it'll stay. Hopefully I got enough because I was using the eyeliner and then a couple of coats of black. So I've just used a couple of coats of clear. This is the first time I've tried the clear. So it's a new product for me. So this one might be sticking up a little bit. Let me put a little bit of down there. I'm going to try to put a little extra in the corner to see if that will stay down. With clear like this, you can't really see it like you can the black. I typically don't like doing that. I feel like I've got some of that adhesive on my real eyelashes now. How does that look? Had a hair there. Another hair. I hope we don't have to take this out and start over. I think it's sticking now. So how do you guys like these? We'll have to see how they feel all day. They feel okay. They don't seem real stiff. I probably am going to take these off my subscribe and save and put a different style on there. Because I wasn't wearing a whole lot of clumps or clusters like this. I like them a little bit wispier. But it's okay. I'm on sight unseen. I mean, yeah, you had a picture of them, but till you actually get them in your hand and look at them, you just don't know. So we're going to put this back in the box. And I'm going to leave them out because I will recap the products before we're done. So there. Now then, got allergies. Now let's go ahead and do a little bit of foundation. I think today we're not going to be out very much. We're just going to go run a few errands. It's not going to be all day long. So I'm going to use a little bit of this tinted sunscreen. I need to use it up. I got some more in there that I bought last year I need to use up too before I buy anything else. Yesterday I went and had a hydrofacial, a boosted hydrofacial. I just let her pick what she put on me. I didn't know what she thought I needed. So now then, I got some Ciate London. This came in one of those boxes back when I used to do boxes. I was thinking about trying to get on the ice cream box, but they didn't. All they had was the box. They didn't have the bag. And so I don't know if I want to invest in the box, but I might. So this is just clear, translucent. That's what I wanted. But before we do that, let's not forget a little blush from this, what I've been using, this Amazon Jones Road dupe. You know, those rollers left, and I had them on for about, I rolled up my hair and finished my housework. I don't think they was on that long, but they was on long enough. So now let's put the powder on. And I did wash out my brush the other day because it was getting icky. This is just clear setting powder. I seem to like that better than with the color. I don't know if I put it on my forehead or not, but that's okay. Any foundation. But this came in a box. I bought me some more setting powder, so not to use it in the. I think I like that better than the pad, the pressed. So we'll put a little highlighter on here. This is just, which I've got some name brand highlighter somewhere. I just haven't got it out. One of these days when I run low of this, I'll go get it. And this also had blush in it, but we didn't use that. Alrighty, I think we're done except for lipstick. So let's see what we look like in the big mirror because I can't see there. Okay, it looks good. We got this kind of a green color on the lid right here. And then outlined is the dark blue. But underneath it, we put the brown. And up here at the brow, I found a different lighter color and highlighter. And let's see what hair looks like in the back. I have no idea. It's a little frayed. That's okay. Hopefully by the next cut, most of the damage will be out. And, you know, I'm stopping the blow drying so much. Alrighty. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.